In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an American Express employee corporate card. If you manage corporate cards, there are times when you need to end access quickly and cleanly. I'll walk you through the online option first, then the support routes, and I'll also show you how to pause a card instead of closing it outright. Start by signing in to your American Express at Work Online Management account. Make sure you're using an administrator profile with the right permissions. If you're not sure, check with your program administrator first. It helps to have the employee's information ready, like their name or the last few digits of the card, so you can find the right account without confusion. Once you're in, locate the specific employee or card holder you want to cancel. You can typically search by name, employee ID, or card details. Before you proceed, take a quick look at the account status. If there are pending transactions or open expense reports, note that cancelling the card won't reverse charges that have already been authorized, but it will prevent new ones from going through. This is a good moment to confirm any company policies about final expenses and reimbursements. Next, select the card and choose the cancel option. You'll usually see a choice between canceling immediately or scheduling the cancellation for a future date. Immediate cancellation is best if access needs to stop right away. Scheduling can be helpful if you need to allow time for final reconciliation or to align with an employee's departure date. Follow the prompts to confirm and be sure to save or download any confirmation for your records. If you prefer to handle this with a person, you can call the customer service number printed on the back of the corporate card or contact American Express Business Card Support. A representative will verify your authority and process the cancellation on your behalf. Ask them to confirm the effective date and to send written confirmation. You can also use the chat feature on the American Express website to connect with a representative. This can be faster than a phone call, and you'll have a transcript you can save for your audit trail. If you don't want to fully cancel the card, consider temporarily suspending it in the at-work platform. Suspension blocks new charges while keeping the account available to reinstate later, which can be useful during leaves or investigations. Just remember to reactivate or proceed to cancellation when your internal process is complete. And that's it. Whether you cancel online, by phone, or via chat, the at-work platform makes it straightforward to control access and keep your program secure.